Sledgehammer handled with motorcycle chain, surprising everyone. He put a motorcycle chain on the sledgehammer and stopped everything because everybody was looking without understanding anything. The sledgehammer was there, lying around looking like it was going to retire. But after that, it became celebrity at the job site. That chain that seemed to be left over in the workshop gained a function nobody expected. The fit was so firm it could even be used as Thor's hammer construction worker version. And the best part, nobody understands how it works, they just know it works. The sledgehammer handling technique is simple but brilliant. Always works.